Are you seeing the Sfl Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. While preparing the manual steps for Sfl Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Sfl Library, frequently found in specialized scientific or industrial data logging tools to manage localized data filtering and noise reduction algorithms. If missing, the parent software will fail to process incoming sensor data, resulting in an arithmetic exception or a blank data view window. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Unlike Windows core files, Sfl Library DLL belongs to the specialized localized application logic environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Sfl library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. The versions of Sfl Library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Sfl library-related system data. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Sfl library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.